How to sell USDT on OKX. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell USDT on OKX. Now, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to go ahead and log into your OKX account. Once you do so, what you want to do is, now I'm not verified, you can see I don't have any assets as well, but I'll just be guiding you through. You want to head over to the square icon. You want to tap on square icon at the top left corner of your screen, the dots icon. Once you tap on it here, under manage assets, you can see buy, sell, deposit, withdraw, and P2P trading. So you want to simply head over to P2P trading option. Once under P2P trading, you'll be by default on the buy page. So you want to tap on the sell option there. You want to make sure you're on the sell tab. Then you want to select the USDT there option, and then you want to select the amount. You want to enter in the amount. Once you enter in the amount, you want to tap on payment methods, and you want to select the payment methods through which you'll receive the payment, and then go ahead through a couple of prompts and then create the ad. And this way you'll be able to sell USDT. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.